Hi, today we're going to do a tutorial on installing the fisheye receiver for the BlastIR Pro. It's really great, it's got a really clean look. First thing you're going to do is take off this front plate right here. Be careful, the little plastic insert can come out, so be careful you don't lose that. It comes with a pair of washers to make sure you get a good solid connection, and then this retaining nut here to keep the whole assembly in place. So we've got the barrel of the receiver, the eye is right here, and we're going to get drilling. All right, so you're going to want to use a 1/2-inch drill bit, and normally this will be your cabinet, so it'll probably be facing wherever you want to put that, but we just have ours laid down flat here. So just drill your hole right through there, and you can install this any way that's convenient for you. So, you know, if you have access to the back, you can push it up through from the bottom. If you only have access to the front, you can feed the cable through, but we have access to the back. So you're going to want to put the retaining bolt on so that you can get a nice solid connection on the back side. Put on the back washer to hold it in place from below, and you might have to experiment a little bit with the the distance depending on how thick your drywall or your cabinet walls are. So we're gonna do a little bit of fiddling with this guy right here. And then all you have to do to get it all nice and snug is, so our cabinet right here is nice and firm, so you don't have to use the top washer if you don't want to. In fact, the install can look nice and clean without it. So if I want, I can just put this right here. If you're putting it in drywall though, what you might find is that it's a little bit soft, and you might need a little extra surface area to keep it all nice and snug. So I'm just going to use this washer right here to make sure that that's the case in this install. And so between this top retainer and the bottom washer, it's just going to keep it all nice and snug and tight. And then we've got our front plate right here. We can point our remote at this and it'll shoot the signal over to the BlastIR base unit. So the install is really simple. All you have to do is use a 1/2-inch drill bit, punch a hole right through your wall, and screw it in place. For more information, click the link below.